Before using Acne Stop Kits, I used to have acne all over my jawline, red bumps all over my cheeks, my face. It wasn't good. Now since using Acne Stop Kits, things not only have simplified, but I'm seeing really great results. All I do is start with the cleansing gel. I use one pump all over my face, and then I move to the buff. The buff is really easy. I just use side-by-side motions all over my face. No circular motions, as the circular motions push dirt back into the skin. After washing and patting my skin dry, I move to the BP. My skin only needs one pump. Sometimes I move to 2 pumps when things are feeling a little bit more oily or I start to break out. And in fact, on the days where I notice a bump coming along, I just use a little extra BP and things clear up really quickly. I let the BP sit in my skin for 20 minutes, and then I move to the green tea moisturizer. The green tea moisturizer is really great because it's packed full of natural ingredients like green tea. It helps my skin feel hydrated without feeling sticky or gross. Acne Stop Kits are simple, they're effective, and they're great. I love Acne Stop Kits.